Okay, here's an update on this speedo issue. After a lot of hassle, I've managed to be able to access the cable. It probably would have been easier had I been taking the fairing itself off, but I don't want to do that yet. I'm still remaking these side fairings so that I can have highway pegs down here. So yeah, I've had this is the headlight adjuster. You take that screw out, and there's several washers in there, one which fell down in there, which I had to then try and retrieve. So you take that off and then you unscrew this and it comes out. On the other side we have this little clock, and unfortunately the wires are tucked in down behind. We can't really access. You probably could, I suppose, from up underneath. So I've actually managed to pull this cover forward far enough to get the screws off and just unbolt the box itself. The speedo itself had 3 bolts in it. The one that was down here was quite difficult to access, and I wanted to remove this cover anyway, partially for cleaning, but I'm also considering getting some handlebar extensions, because you're still leaning a bit further forward than I would like when you get in the sit-up position and get your feet on the highway pegs. Anyway, I've got the cable out, and the problem which stripped the gear on my speedo was due to this. This is the speedo cable. You can see by the colour of it, it is very rusty inside. I actually had to put the thing in the vise here, the inner part of the cable, just to get the outer cable off. It was majorly jammed. So there's 2 things I can do here. One is just get a new cable, which is the best option, but it'll depend on the cost of a new cable. If it's reasonably priced, I'll just get a new cable. However, you can, I could clean it. I could, get probably some carby cleaner would be the best thing, with a spray nozzle, and spray it all out, clean it, re-grease the cable and put it back in. That would solve the problem, but I will inquire as to a new cable. But there you go. So when if you have the gear chew out, on your speedo unit that's on the front wheel, there's a problem that causes it, and you have to fix that problem, or it's just going to happen again. So there is the problem. So I am rather happy for that. I'm glad it wasn't a problem within the speedo. I didn't particularly want to pull the speedo apart. So there you go.